reciting Lady Gaga's Born This Way. It doesn't matter if you love him or capital H-I-M.
Oh, I just love Taylor Lautner. Oh, I just love Taylor Lautner. Oh yeah, I love him.
It doesn't matter if you love him.
But I love him.
It doesn't matter.
But I love him.
It does not matter, okay? My mama told me when I was young, we are all born superstars. We are all born superstars!
Mom! Mother! We're not all born superstars.
Yo! She rolled my hair and put my lipstick on.
Wait, just let me put your lipstick on. Oh, beautiful!
There's nothing wrong with loving who you are.
I love myself.
She said, 'cause he made you perfect, babe.
I'm still not perfect. Oh.
Listen to me whenever I said he made you perfect, okay? You hear? Okay, girl? Okay. So hold your head up, girl, and you'll go far. Listen to me when I say. Hold your head up, girlfriend, and you'll go far. Yeah, you go, girl.
I'm really ugly. You're beautiful.
You have eyes, and you know how to noses, so that's a good thing. Yay! 'Cause God makes no mistakes. We're on the right track, baby. We were born this way. Baby, you were born this way.
Don't hide yourself in regret. Alright, we need to try not to stop.
That was an accident.
Love yourself. I know.
Okay.
It's like, I love myself. Oh yeah, love me. Okay, we just love yourself and you're set. And then I'll be like, oh yeah, I love me. And you're like,
You love yourself a little too much.
or you should walk in there to the bathroom and show me in the mirror. I'll be like, hey, sexy, you're beautiful. Okay. I love you. Alright. So ready? Wait, hold on.
Hold on, we didn't pause it.